Bro, I left for like 10 minutes. Everything went to shit in 10 minutes, bro. I'm scared.
Hey guys, my name is Matthew. Welcome to my channel where I do random things. And today's video, my friend is building PC, and I'm there to help. Enjoy the video.
Where's your ESD?
We don't need it.
Where's your ESD mat?
Wrong slot.
You want to go with the second slot?
Yeah.
You want to start second slot?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared. Is this the right direction? I'm scared.
Yeah, push it straight down.
I'm pushing.
Click.
The box
Like-
is sagging a lot.
Yeah.
Would it be better?
But
to
no,
put it
do it on the,
Yeah,
do it
just
on the box.
do
Do
it
it on
on
the
the
box.
box.
Do it on the box. The box is always what you want to build on because the cardboard sags, whereas the wood table damages the components from the bottom.
That's what I was worried about. I'm
So
scared.
there's a lot of
This
back and
is going
forth
on
wiggle
YouTube.
around.
I'm scared. You know I shake. This is just normal wiggle. There we go. Okay. What's next? The CPU?
Okay. CPU is next. One part-time.
That's what's
It is 100% the most scuffed part in every single.
the CPU?
Yes.
I know.
By far.
When I replaced it, I was telling.
RAM.
Oh, the RAM? Oh, really?
The RAM stressed me out. Well, the CPU was like, put it on, bro.
Dude, I
No, the
end up
CPU
getting the thermal paste all over my fingers
No,
on
you-
accident. And,
Thermal
You
paste.
haven't used. Jesus, bro, what are you doing to the fucking? But you have a utility knife. Where you put it?
oh, I never grabbed it.
Because your CPUs used to have pin grid arrays, which the pins were on the CPU, in which case you can kind of just like plop it in and then secure it. Whereas land grid arrays is the pins are on the motherboard. So if you drop the
I don't
CPU,
know.
you can fuck the pins a lot more easily.
Oh.
You just leave the cover on.
Dude, this is much more secure than my cover on my current motherboard. I can't break this. I broke the last one.
How the hell did you break the
How did you-
CPU?
It was really easy. It was like
Pro tip: leave this down until you're actually ready to put it in.
why?
Dust.
Because well, not dust, but just if anything drops in there, then you break
okay,
your
okay,
motherboard
okay.
completely,
Okay.
and there goes $150.
Gotta get the
Okay, that looks good.
Let me just double check before. I don't think you did anything wrong. Yeah.
Okay,
There you go. Done.
okay.
Ooh.
How did you break your other motherboard?
It wasn't like this. It wasn't. It was the socket style.
No, I know, but that one is even easier because like you just
Well, when I was trying to remove it, I popped it. I was pulling.
Way too
pulling
much
to
force.
Pop it up, and I probably just pulled with too much force. And when I popped it out, it like these like tangs here, like snapped off.
Jesus.
So
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weak metal right there.
yeah, this is mine were like thermoformed plastic, so they were easy to shear.
This.
The other fans are broken.
Chinese. This is the Chinese side.
You can't read that?
I got this locked.
Bing chillin'.
Ask the fuck out. Yeah, I did that one. For now. So it's
Yeah, let's put that back. Yeah, it does not come with thermal face on there. You got something?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the CPU too.
Oh, it comes with two fans. Damn.
Which way is the right way?
Now, which way do you want it to blow?
Yeah.
Which way do I want you to blow it?
Up or down?
Hey Dennis, you have a screwdriver?
You have a knife right there.
I'm just gonna like. Okay.
You sit on me.
So you have a screwdriver or no? Oh.
I was handing it to you.
Hey, speak up. Okay, we got different spacer colors.
Yeah, read the manual.
That's looks like a lot of reading. Okay, all these brackets. Oh, it does come with thermal paste.
Yeah, that's so many brackets.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, the main which way do you want the air to blow? In your.
Is it not 90 degrees from that?
This is the correct orientation because this is the top of the motherboard.
Oh.
Usually this is the top, but this is the top in this case.
I see.
So you want around to like that.
Do I need to take these guys off? Right.
Check the manual, buddy.
Fuck, what does the manual say? Oh, like make my own holes?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, why am I even undo? Think it's spell.
That used to be an old motherboard, like way that you would clip on coolers. Was you had to jam.
You actually puncture?
No, you didn't have to puncture, but you had to like lever up a clip, and the intended way was with a flathead screwdriver, and it was like angling right at the motherboard. And
Oh, really?
It was such a common issue where people would it would slip and they'd stab their motherboard and break it.
Yeah.
And that was literally the manufacturer design.
It had the punch holes or whatever. Yeah.
Then you buy another one.
MX4.
Yeah.
Get 1,000
Yeah.
gold.
1,000 gigawatts.
Rise to the top.
Damn.
Describes me pretty well, wouldn't you say? I want to read that every day when I boot up my computer.
Yeah, like Gamers Republic or whatever.
Yeah.
Republic
Yeah.
of Gamers, ROG.
I forget what it would always say when I booted up the. It had some stupid slogan as well, like that. Wait,
No.
how does that?
The toughie.
Wait, are the fasteners hollow?
Yeah.
Whoa, they're internal threaded?
Yeah.
Wacky. Okay.
Now the question is, how in the hell are we going to rotate this 90 degrees?
That'd be perfect.
What do you mean? Oh, like that?
Even if the threads don't line up.
You know, like,
It's with.
yeah.
Oh, this is for the backing.
That's for Intel.
Oh, I can probably put these brackets. Wait, can these fit?
That's for Intel.
No.
though.
Very, very, very
Those
cozy.
are Intel brackets.
Are you sure it needs to be rotated that direction?
Well,
I mean,
because you're.
the display is gonna show up.
Oh,
like
I
that,
see.
so
Oh,
it'll
gotcha,
be
gotcha.
tilted
So then it'll be.
Display.
Yeah.
Just rotate the display.
For temps.
Shit. Fancy.
I don't know if you can rotate display in software.
I don't know if we can
Just
rotate
rotate
the
your
mounts
head.
though.
I forgot that AMD can't rotate like
Rotate the whole
that
thing.
because in Intel you pretty much can.
It's symmetric.
Yeah. I forgot that AMD can't. So at least for now, for functional purposes, we can just build it like this, and then later you can adjust it if you.
That means it's never gonna get adjusted.
I
Yeah,
know,
it's not gonna get
I know.
adjusted if we install it like this. I'm telling you right now.
Well, I don't think there's another way. To
I don't
do
think
it,
we have another way to-
unfortunately.
yeah.
How shaky is her hand?
One of my other friends. she
Yo,
was-
nah, you're crazy, bro.
likes the-
Oh.
So we bought her some when we went
When
out.
you went out.
Call me a surgeon, cause I'm steady.
That's
not.
You said that's the accident stuff?
Yeah.
I saw that they, you're posting about the.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
make me a nice
Yeah.
painting.
Do you know what they're doing with the building?
That's the Mona Lisa right there.
They're supposed
Mona
to
Lisa?
build like 14 new apartments / offices.
Bro, that was ass. What is
One
this?
spot, I think it was on the wall, but next day they put the board is sold and then the consequent needs to be. So there's like stuff. It's just not.
That's
But
not
there were
in.
others, right? So
What do you
You can hand turn
You take
it.
the plastic thing off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Skating.
Yeah.
Most of it is at 5 p.m. And if I'm going to like Vancouver or you would put on Sherwood, it's like a drive.
Yeah. It doesn't pretty far.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Is this the
Ah.
right direction though?
Yeah.
Don't I need one on both sides?
The most convenient way to have it.
And then you put one on the front.
Yeah.
No, I don't need one on
A
the
brace
side.
on
Oh,
each
so
side.
you put another clip on, yes.
No.
Well, yes, that's the correct orientation.
Yeah.
Because it blows in the direction
Oh,
of the
okay.
reinforcement.
So you want it like this then?
Yeah. Yes.
What's up,
Dude, the
guys?
ram's in the way.
Can I put it on the other side?
You can
Put it
literally.
another way.
Yeah, we could do pull then. The fin stacks.
Wait, it's low key too fat on
both sides.
Then you raise it up. It doesn't need to be like perfectly aligned on the cooler.
Okay.
Or you just
raise the
need
height a
one.
little bit. There is definitely a benefit of having two.
Okay.
Natural
If you
radiator.
want passive cooling, there is a passive cooler on the market.
Okay. This is
Even
the.
enough. Yeah.
When you go to after a car mechanic, this is the manager coming out to do a security check.
$250 charge on this.
Does the fans have RGB
And then we
too?
go to the fan
Yeah.
hub. You said. Where's?
Steady hands.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also, welcome to the shittiest connector ever invented.
Yeah, the pins.
Because if you miss the pins, it'll still go in the gaps there. So it's notoriously just a dog shit
Yeah,
connector.
glad they really pokey up that.
I think that's correct though, and that might actually be the only time I've ever in my life gotten in my first try. That's what she said.
How to take off the.
Yeah, just
Wait, I think you do this one first.
the sides, you think?
Well, it's like. Ooh. Already dropped.
This is on the plastic, right?
Oh, nice.
Do I look stressed?
Unboxing all the mounts.
Wait, this is actually super nice. It comes with all this.
Oh, it has to come with all that. For
Well,
all
no, the cable ties and everything. And the look, they're Velcro.
The Velcro ties.
And there's white ones here. Power supply.
Oh!
Okay.
Let's see.
Where does it go, Jared?
Fuck. My old one, I had it right here, but there's a glass here, so I don't. So obviously not. I would guess here.
Yeah, it goes in there. It goes in the square hole.
Is in the square hole. Now, which orientation? The fan should probably face outwards.
Let's see what the back of your case looks like. Now, which one is the back panel? It's just the big
That's how
one.
I would guess.
The back panel is half glass.
That's the back. Then yeah, I would face the fan outwards. Yeah, give it its own independent airflow system.
Yeah.
You can see
Okay.
the holes pointing up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Cooler runs cooler system. Which I would
Wait,
probably
that's pretty
leave
cool.
on.
I would just keep that always on.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
why would I keep it off?
There's actually so much space. This is so nice.
Like a screwdriver.
Yeah, but hand threading.
Don't talk about hand threading, bro. You are an engineer.
Hand thread everything
I'm a
first.
hand threader.
Whoa! It's a fucking space machine.
I don't even know what to do with this.
Unwind
Dude,
it.
that was
so many.
That's so heavy.
Like here.
I'm just gonna shove this through
your
here
house.
so I don't crush the cables.
It's not gonna crush it.
I like how Harrison's helping.
I appreciate the help.
Yeah. Oh.
What are you owing?
Oh, dude, I'm making.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
You can paint that.
Oh.
bro.
Dude, finish. That takes like a week.
That's a refinish.
That takes a week to do.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, it's fine.
There's the clip.
Just send me a Venmo request for the cost of the.
Yo! Chillax, thing.
Where's this? Boom. All 6 aligned. This one right here.
Good reason.
Oh, I missed one.
You don't need that one. You don't need it.
No. You're right. I missed 2. I missed 2, bro.
You don't need it.
Wait, I
bro.
missed 3. Yeah, you're
This
right.
one.
Okay, see what you got plugged in.
Okay, let's plug this shit in. Okay, what do I got here? CPU.
It's up top.
Over here.
All right, back down it goes.
Route it through here. Yeah.
Oh, it might be.
You are a fucking idiot.
Oh, that's
Bro,
on me.
I got no idea where anything
Honestly,
is.
That's on me, MD. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, Harry led me astray, bro. He said all through this one little hole. And I went, okay.
It's right there.
I trusted my senpai. What's the point of the third port in the CPU for the CPU power? What's the point of this one?
Taurus. There's an
For additional overclocking, won't be necessary for you.
It's not.
Yeah, you can't click like this. It goes the other way.
That's literally right.
No, it goes the other
What
way.
are you fucking talking about?
Oh wait, that's
backwards.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's upside down.
that's.
It needs to go the other way.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I know,
Oh,
but
mine's
not
the other
you
way.
have to,
My
like
Yeah.
this twist
Mine's the
shit.
other way.
Fucking reroute it, bro. Don't take coordinates. Now is the easiest time to fix any of these mistakes.
Well, that's the thing.
Okay,
You don't really know anything, so-
pick this shit up real quick?
Oh, you know what? The motherboard's mounted. That's fair.
The motherboard is screwed in. Oh, hell on you. You fucking guys, bro. Why would you populate the ones you can't access?
Yo, this
do you mean,
Why would
bro?
you
this
guys
is
populate
what-
the front row? Because you can't access this back row.
Well,
now.
I told him to do the back. No, I literally told him to do the back row.
Populate the lower row.
I literally
It does
said-
matter.
Well, I gotta rotate the motherboard 180, but
Saying you fit through. Saying you fit through there.
Probably not.
Damn.
Restart. Start from the beginning.
Hey, what are you talking about? We can fix
You
this.
just flip it. There's no way you can't just flip that.
That's what I'm
It
saying.
doesn't fit vertically. There's not enough space to place the cable.
Wait, you put it through here? You didn't put it through here? Oh my
Bro, you
god.
don't want to told me to do that, bro.
Oh my god. I said that one.
Yeah,
I
you're
didn't,
lying.
Bro, I left for like
You're
10
lying,
minutes to
bro.
cut
I
the fucking
literally
cake.
said this one.
Everything went
You're
to
lying.
Okay, first I said that
Everything
this
went to
one.
shit in 10 minutes, bro. Alright, motherboard's coming out.
Wait, I didn't realize you put it through here. Oh my god.
No.
How did you get that through?
Bro, we got a screwdriver coming.
I already got one.
Hey, yo.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. Harrison, go play games, bro. You're making this worse.
I haven't been saying anything.
Hey, that's.
Are you sure that's the right
Oh, you
way?
got it out.
Is that the right way?
I can rotate it. There you go.
Or are you going the other way?
No, it's good. Actually, yeah, let's do it the other way.
Let me just rotate it out. This way or this way?
This other way.
I swear I gave it to you this way.
No, it was the other way. Yeah, this is now at-home activity.
Okay, like you.
It's over water.
Okay, there we go.
And it's like it's a 3-layer green.
Okay. Deal with that later.
Or do I have to record the entire thing?
You can stop now.
So we do intake with the reverse, and then the exhaust is up here.
Okay.
In theory, it's up to you.
I never
whether you-
understood the
which
fan
side.
direction.
What do you mean? It blows towards the
Towards the truss.
towards the support beams.
This way?
Unless there were these both are reverse, right?
Yeah.
Okay. One day we're gonna
Cable
look
bell.
back at this, and we're gonna smile.
I'm back to there real quick.
Yeah, I just cleaned it out for the first time on my other one.
Yeah,
so.
I know. I've cleaned your PC before, and there's like actually a fire code hazard.
And yet, no fire.
Yeah, so you can
What do you
choose,
think?
you can choose
Maybe
to either
this
put
one.
them. You can choose to either put them here or in here. It's up to you.
What do you think looks
probably
better?
Do, you probably do inside. In here.
You think it looks better like that?
I feel like it should be like
Lay them
less,
both on top and come take a look.
I feel like it's just less clutter in the side. I don't know. That'd be
Do
me.
that. I mean, you can look at the case.
No, the GPU thing is right here. This is the.
What sector? I mean, like what job listing?
Analyst, data analyst, primarily business.
It's just crazy how. You don't have to see the cables.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them down there.
And you just place it like right here.
Well, I don't need this many now, but
Many fans? Oh
You don't need this many, but it wasn't that expensive. $7.
He said each fan is $7. So the screws loose.
you got screws. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna touch some
Look at
other
this
wires
wire.
back there as well.
I mean, in theory, here is actually fine.
Oh, he got the new USB, the red one.
Yeah, 3.2. The colors don't mean fucking anything.
Wait, really?
Yeah, they don't. They have no actual significance.
What the fuck?
There's no like official.
There's not
It's
official.
just basically if it's colored, it's gonna
But
be one of the faster
why does it
ones.
still have that?
PS2 is still the best port for mouse and keyboard. It has the least latency. Pull all of them in so that it's simple here. I'm gonna read this on here real quick.
Any more unboxing? Oh, the GPU. What about the bend and display port?
Display port.
Have fucking
It's quite a bit.
got that much fucking room.
That's quite a bit.
I agree, it's questionable.
Yeah.
But here's the best part: he doesn't even have integrated graphics anyway on the CPU.
Oh, right, that's
There's
right.
no
It's right
integrated-
here,
There's no integrated graphics. It's here.
and it's still the same height.
Well, we'll see.
3,
Oh my god.
6, 8. That's 8. Yeah. It's a mass.
Oh, pass me the USB-C through here.
Oh, USB-C is this one, I believe.
Oh yeah, just go directly through the lights.
Red. Don't give him the fucking red.
Very, very front of it. There we go. Cable ties.
Oh my god.
I mean, we all knew you were gonna say.
I got what?
Yeah, we'll have a little bit more. Yep. Oh.
I was gonna say I've never seen one of these bags of scissors before.
Yeah, not me
Well,
neither.
I'm using scissors anyways.
The spectators cannot interfere.
I'm gonna get home here and be like, how the
There's
fuck have I been playing games without
There's
this
a
shit?
blue piece.
Oh, there is where? Oh, thank you.
I couldn't watch it.
I thought you weren't interfering.
Needs to be a bright yellow tab.
Yo.
The prongs should go just past the motherboard.
Like that. I can't really see the slot. Can't tell if I'm in or
Yep.
not. Am I in?
You're in, yep.
Okay, should I just push in?
Yeah.
Nope. There you go.
There's
Okay.
the click.
That felt good. Plug the monitor that I got. Is it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're plugged in, I think.
The click and everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna click. And see them behind the wedges.
What about this? What about this blue screen?
True.
Ooh. Is it enough bend? Just barely. Oh, there's barely
that's
enough.
definitely enough. Look, you can see there's actually a.
Oh yeah.
You're,
that's-
you're actually
that's
that
enough.
that's totally
Yeah.
This is totally fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll actually be fine. I think they did.
All right, moment of truth.
Okay, Jerry, you want to hit the
Yeah,
hit the
let's do
switch
it.
on the back?
No, the.
On this guy?
Yep. That's top one. And moment of truth. We got power.
Power's on.
Something's right.
That's the
Now
wake
turn
up.
on the PC.
Any lights on the motherboard? A red dot.
Okay, RAM's on.
Hands on.
Oh. The red dot is still on, still waking up.
Which one?
Bottom.
No, on the motherboard,
Yeah,
the red dot.
Yeah, I know, but which one? They're labeled.
DRAM.
I like the accent on the LG, the light.
The more
Yeah,
the
me too.
better, especially for the micro.
And you build your houses.
Ew.
You can put on your outfits. The great thing
I
is
love
it's
that.
free. But
Come
it
on,
takes up,
come
like,
on.
one of my storage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's one thing.
Red light still on.
I am so busy with
Sure, it just doesn't need a little bit more time to initialize, or
No.
It shouldn't be that much.
okay.
They just made us look like this. It's
How do you feel, Jerry?
color for the
Not that bad.
Really?
I can make green. It's really good. Like next time I upgrade my KitchenAid and stuff. It's like, yeah, alright.
The manual now. Multi.
What does that say? Read it out, Matt.
Bean chillin'.
I think I've ever overlooked it.
I've never overclocked mine.
Never needs a functional fast right now. Nope. I'm running into a DRAM issue. This is literally just going to take a bit of testing. Actually, slot. Each
Yeah.
stick has slots.
Or it caused static.
You know what? We need ESD gear.
It does light up.
No, it receives power, yeah, but it's something's not working, obviously.
You still pumping caffeine, Jeremy?
I've cut back my caffeine intake.
Oh yeah? I remember when we discovered it like a year ago. You were pretty excited about it.
Yeah. Yeah, hey, look, I gotta open.
Someone's gotta build the
IT,
box,
man.
bro.
Back and see if it's just the boot
Bro, yours look the same. You guys got the same RAM.
Hell no, mine's Corsair. This is X-Sky.
I just saw the color.
The color of RGB. This is potentially the bad RAM.
Not like, I don't know.
I think one stick is enough then.
You think they usually accept the change, right?
Yeah, they
If it
will
doesn't
100%
work,
accept
it
the
should.
trends, yeah.
You can send them this video.
I think it's not a small company RAM we bought.
Yeah, like it's like a genuine.
Wait,
I don't know anything about X-Sky.
what
It's
What
RAM
com-
is not like that really.
what company? What store?
Fucking Amazon, I think.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Amazon returns are like,
Dude, you can literally put it in.
Working RAM say it doesn't work, they'll give you money.
Moment of truth.
Even mine took a second, so
Yeah.
it's not gonna go instantly.
Should we just let it run for like?
That's what I'm gonna do
4 or 5
for this
minutes?
test, yeah. I know the slots work and now that it's not a CPU issue, and the fact that it could just be like a BIOS initialization with the RAM is possible.
Maybe it's fake DDR5.
But it wouldn't fit in the slot, but
They need to put the hole in the right spot.
No, it might be DDR4, but it's put on a DDR5.
it would still run DDR5, but just at DDR4
Or
speed.
DDR2.
So you'd just be getting scammed on
Oh.
speed and performance, but it would still boot.
Dance
Was
Revolution.
the package fully sealed?
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
someone returned it and like.
No, it's literally like very.
factory
It's,
sealed.
oh, it's booting. There we go.
Oh,
There we go.
Oh, you
There
guys
we
should-
go.
let's go.
You guys got
There
it.
we
Enable
go.
X 3D
Dude.
Turbo.
Let's go.
Enable.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's crazy that something that required yes.
Yeah, and then
Dennis was like,
Dennis
yeah,
was like,
the
yeah, a
best
6K PC won't, $6,000 PC won't get that for you.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, let's change our minds now.
Oh.
This is too gamer. This is way
That-
too gamer, yeah.
This is like 4 extra
Right, yeah.
FPS.
Huh. When I bring a girl home, I turn this one on. Oh wait, sorry.
Huh?